What all did we learn in the last class? Do you guys remember? Everybody turn on your video. I mean, I know Kavyan's video is not working, but Shalini, turn on your video. I hope your video has no problem, like Kavyan's. Okay. So, we learned how to add, subtract and multiply fractions. We have not learned how to divide fractions. That is what we are going to learn today. But before we do that, we have to do tables today. Because today is Saturday. So every Saturday we do tables. Yeah. So let's see how comfortable everybody is. Who shall we start with? Yaganya, you can start? Okay. So Yaganya, table till?
12, sir.
Till 12. Okay. So 8 9 there.
72.
12 6 there.
72.
72. 8 8 there.
54.
12 5 there.
60.
4 9 there.
36.
6 8 there.
48.
11 9 there.
99.
12 9 there.
102.
7 7 there.
49.
I love it. Very nice. Alright, let's go to Kavyan.
Okay.
Table till
12.
12. 12 9 there.
108.
9 8 there.
72.
6 9 there.
54.
4 8 there.
32.
7 8 there.
56.
6 7 there.
42.
7 7 there.
49.
9 7 there.
63.
This is for Kavya also. Very nice. Alright. So let's go to Aditi. Ready? Table till? Table till 8, 8, 10. 8. Let's try till 8. 8 4 ja.
32.
7 6 ja.
40. 42.
Very nice. 6 9 ja.
54.
4 9 ja.
46.
7 7 ja.
49.
8 5 ja.
40.
8 9 ja.
72.
7 9 ja.
63.
Very nice. This is for Aditi also. Very nice, beta. I love it. Very good. And see, something for Aditi, okay? Aditi was not used to this style of table. She used to know it like 6 times 7 42. But she has picked up the way we do here in the class, and she's able to, I mean, all the answers were correct. So very nice, beta. Very nice. Very well done. Okay, let's go to Salini. Salini or Shivani? Salini, right? Okay. Okay. 4 9 there.
36.
6 8 there.
48.
8 5 there.
40.
7 7 there.
49.
8 7 there.
56.
8 9 there.
72.
6 8 there.
48.
Very nice. Very, very nice. Everybody made me very happy today. So nobody made any mistake. Some of you took maybe half a second more, but that's still okay. But what that means is, make sure that we keep spending 2 minutes every day. keep challenging your family members, okay? Catch hold of anybody and say, I have memorized table till 10 or 12 or 11 or 7, 9. Ask many questions and see how quickly I'm responding. That is the playful way of doing things. Give me 5 seconds, I'll be back. Okay. So did I take more than 5 seconds? I think I did. So what we are going to learn today? We are going to learn, today's class is not a math class. Today's class is a dance class. We will learn dance today. What do you say? Dance, not the dance by human being. Dance by numbers. Dance of numbers. Let Salini join back so that we can do all dance together. Okay. Where did Salini go? Okay, Salini is back. Yeah, are you ready for the dance? We'll do it. So this dance is not dance by human being. This is dance of numbers. That's why I'm saying this is a dance class. Okay, we'll see the numbers dancing. So we have learned how to do multiplication. We have learned how to do addition and subtraction of fractions. And we also learned how to do LCM. Now comes the dance. Dance, D stands for division, D stands for dance also. Yeah? So, whenever, let's say somebody says, I have a fraction 1 by 5, divide that by 2 by 5. We have not learned how to do division. How do we do it? We have only learned addition, subtraction or multiplication. These are the only three things that we know. And we can only do those things. So we can only do addition or subtraction or division. That's it. Sorry, addition, subtraction or multiplication. Because we have not learned how to do division. And that is when the dance happens. Now since we only know addition or subtraction or multiplication, we have to choose one of these three to do this. To do the division. Division and addition, subtraction doesn't go well together. They are not good friends. The only good friend of division is multiplication. That's why we say addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So these are like from the same family. Addition, subtraction. See, remember when we are doing addition, we did the subtraction also the same way, exactly the same way. Just the sign was different. Okay? Everybody with me? So we had, let's say if we had to add these two, or we had to subtract these two. We did exactly the same thing. We first found out the LCM, and then we picked the first number, multiplied with the LCM, then multiplied with this one, and then same thing here. Addition also same thing. We found the LCM, did the first number, did the second number, same thing. Only thing was different was the plus or minus sign, but the whole process was the same. Because addition, subtraction go hand in hand. They are together, they are part of the same family. Now, this is when, so addition, subtraction has similar behavior. Multiplication, division also has similar behavior. They are also part of the similar one family. These two are part of one family. So whatever you do with addition, same thing you do with subtraction. Just the sign is different. Similarly, these two are also part of the same family. Meaning, if we don't know how to do division, we can reach out to the family and say, okay, can you help me? The family of division has a member called multiplication also. So what we will do is, if I have to divide 1 by 5 by 2 by 5, we don't know how to do division, but we know in the division family we have something called multiplication also. So instead of doing division, I am saying, okay, I will do multiplication. Because I know multiplication, so I will do multiplication. But the question is to divide. We are trying to do multiplication. That is when the numbers get upset and they dance and they move upside down. So whatever is here goes here. Whatever is here comes there. So we try to convert division to multiplication, and that is when the numbers started dancing. they danced upside down. Whatever was as numerator, that became denominator. Whatever was denominator became numerator. Are you guys clear about this dance? So, simple thing. When you have to divide a fraction by another fraction, you are not supposed to divide. Don't divide. You will say, okay, I will not do division, I will do multiplication. So, when you dance, right, what you do? Let's say you are flipping. Let's say you are doing somersault. What do? You put your hand on the ground and then you move your body. Right? So one thing is fixed. That's why whatever is here is fixed. One thing is fixed. And you say, okay, I am doing dance. Changing division to multiplication. And then the dance happens. So whatever was here went up. Whatever was above came down. That is the dance I was talking about. Dance of the numbers when you convert a division to multiplication. Same way, if somebody says 4 by 9 multiplied by 3 by 7, you can always change a multiplication to division again. You will say, okay, so that means 4 by 9 divided by 7 by 3. What it means is when you can convert division to multiplication, multiplication to division, you just have to make the numbers flip. Everybody here? Everybody see? When you are changing from multiplication to division, look at this and this. When you are changing from multiplication to division, you make the numbers flip. When you change from division to multiplication, same thing happens. The numbers flip. 2 by 5 divided by 3 by 9. If you have to convert this from division to multiplication, the numbers will flip. Numbers will flip. So this one will go up and this one will come down. Are you guys clear about this dance? Yeah? So this is what you have to remember. When you have to do division of fractions, the only thing you have to keep in mind is there is a dance happening. And as long as you are clear about that dance, you will not go wrong. So now let's try solving a problem. I have to divide 5 by 9 by, let's say, 2 by 9. Okay? So as I said, I will change division to multiplication. Meaning I will say this equals 5 by 9. This one I will keep same. This is my hand which is making me dance. And then change this to division to multiplication. Now the dance. So 9 goes up, 2 comes down. Now this is my tic-tac-toe scenario. Now I have multiplication like before. Here you have 9, here you have 9. Tic-tac-toe. What you are left with 5 by 2. This is your answer. Yeah? We did not learn anything, we just learned dance. Meaning when I have to divide one fraction by another fraction, I have to just convert that to multiplication first by making the dance happen, and then I do tic-tac-toe. I'm done. Now, let's try doing, I want you guys to do this two sums. 4 by 8 divided by 2 by 4. I want you guys to solve this. This is one sum. And second sum is 3 divided by 1 by 9. So this one don't solve it, okay? I will tell you guys what to do with this guy. First solve the first one. 4 by 8 divided by 2 by 4.
2.
Yep.
I got the jump on the first one.
Only first one. Second one you don't have to solve right now, okay? We'll come to that.
Uh,
How much is first one?
So I just did the tic-tac-toe, but I don't understand why there was
What was the answer? First tell me. What did you do is what I am interested in. How
I
much?
just
Uh-huh.
I just made the division symbol as a multiplication symbol, and then I made the numbers reverse and
Okay.
the
And what it came down to?
4 by 2.
4 by 2. Okay. That was one answer. Let's see what everybody else got. Then we'll try solving it.
Okay.
How about you, Kavyan, Yagnya, and Aditi?
I got 1/4.
Okay. You got one answer, 1/4. Okay. How about you, Yagnya?
I'm working on it, sir.
Okay. Okay.
I think I got mine. No, I don't think.
While everybody else is working on, you might want to try it one more time, Shalini. Just see if you get a different answer. Because that's what we do as part of review. Okay? Yaganya is ready. How much you got, Yaganya?
I got 1/4, sir.
1/4. So Yaganya and Kavya got 1/4. Let's see what Aditi got.
I'm working on it, sir.
Okay?
I got the soup, sir.
You got how much?
I also think it's 1/4.
1/4. You think or you got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay.
I did it again.
Uh-huh.
I was it's 4, so I got one.
Okay. So see that now you know why I was asking you to do it, right? That's the beauty of review, because not everything that we solve we get it right in the first go, and that is why when you try to do it again, there is a chance that something that you missed in the first attempt you might be able to find it. Okay, let's go to Aditi. Are you ready, beta? Now, okay. Take 2 more minutes. Okay, you got it? How much is it?
Can you explain again, sir? I'm a little bit confused.
Okay, that's okay. So anyways, when I got the answer from some of you, so I'm anyways going to validate it by doing it, okay? So just to make sure that nobody is missing it. Alright, so let me just tell one of the child who did not join the class today.
Is there a student?
I'm sorry?
Is there a new student?
Not in this class. There are some kids from senior classes. So there's a kid from 10th grade. So in 10th grade, I call them kid, right? They are all like kid for me, like you all. So
Level 3.
she 10th grade, level 3, yeah. So she did not join today, so I was just checking, asking her while you guys were solving the problem. Okay, now the question was 4 by 8 divided by 2 by 4. This is what you were trying to do. Yeah? Aditi, just let me know if I am going slow or fast. Okay? So the first thing that we learned was, okay, fine. I have to do division, and what I know is I don't have to do division, I will do multiplication. And when I try doing multiplication, somebody gets upset and starts dancing. So this is what happens. A dance will happen. I change this to multiplication. I change the division to multiplication. What will happen? This will dance. Because they did not like it. Why will you change division to multiplication? They did not like it, got upset with me and started dancing. Yeah? So what happened? 4 went up and 2 came down. 4 went up and 2 came down. Now this is my tic-tac-toe. Here I can write 4 as a, let it be like this. I can write 4 as 4, and one of the 4 I can break it into 2 into 2. This one. Yeah? Now this 8 I can write as 4 into 2 and then this 2. Yeah? Now let's do tic-tac-toe. This and this gone. This and this gone. This and this gone. That means this is equal to 1. So what I did was, instead of writing 2, I wrote 2 into 1. Okay? So when this gets, it's always, so, okay. So when you come across a situation like this, what you will do is, you will say 4 into 4, whatever I have in numerator, and then 8 into 2. Now what you can do is, 4 into, always write a 1, one extra 1, okay? I can write 4 as 4 into 1. And then this 4 as 2 into 2. I am just breaking it. Okay? Now this 8 becomes 4 into 2. And then I have a 2. It becomes 2. This 2 and this 2 gone. Tic-tac-toe. This 2 and this 2 gone. Tic-tac-toe. This 4 and this 4 also gone. Tic-tac-toe. What is remaining? Is 1. Everybody got 1 by 4. Because you probably did not make the number dance properly. Or did I change the question, or the question was the same? It was the same question, right? 4 by 8 divided by 2 by 4, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So did you guys see what did I do? 4 by 8, 2 by 4. Division changed to multiplication. The numbers danced upside down. And then this became 4 into 4 divided by 8 into 2. 4 into 4, 8 into 2. We are just splitting it. So 8, I know that we can change to 8, 4 into 2. 2 is a small number, I will not change it. This 4 also I change to 2 into 2. So this 2 gone, this 2 gone, this 4 gone. My answer is 1. Can you guys review what you did and how is that different from what I did? I want each one of you, I mean, see, there is nothing wrong. What I'm saying is, I want each one of you to look at what you did and what I have done and what is the difference. Where did we do differently? So that way you would know what was the mistake happening. Yeah? Did you guys find out where did we go wrong? You found it? You found it?
So can I ask you a question?
Yes, please.
So can you do the same equation again?
No, I will give you guys another question. See, it's math is all about practice, having more and more fun with maths. So let's do one more, sir. We are not going to learn 10 things and not learn anything. We'll learn one thing and we'll be solid with that. That will be our plan. Let's do one more sum. This time I am trying to divide 3 by 9 divided by 2 by 3. Everybody just, this is nothing difficult, nothing different. Just follow the same steps. After you are done, review it also one more time and then tell me once you are ready. So Aditi, you got it right? You got what I did? In the previous question what I did, you got it right? Now try solving this one, okay? I'm just making you guys practice so that you are very clear with what we have to do, okay? Try solving this. 3 by 9 divided by 2 by 3. Okay, Shalini is ready. How much is your answer?
No, I got it out again.
Do you know what?
So, can we do the same thing again and over again, like with threes?
Everything the same, just the numbers are different. Your process will remain the same. That is why you would have heard me so many times saying, I don't care about the answer. I mean, of course I do, but what I'm saying is my focus is not answer. My focus is in the process. So if you get the process right, if you know how to solve it, your answers will always be right. So always focus on getting the process right, answers will be right by default. Okay? Answers are a byproduct of the process. Okay, Khalid is ready? How much is the answer?
1 by 2.
1 by 2 is one answer. I want everybody to think that Shalini has done it wrong. What I mean by that is, don't rely on Shalini's answer or don't rely on anybody's answer. See, 3 of you told me 1 by 4 is the answer. Did I trust any of you? No. I did it myself, right? So that's what I would say. Shalini got 1 by 2. That may be right, may not be right. Don't trust her. Okay, let's see what Aditi has to say. How much it is?
The answer is 1 by 2.
Okay. Aditi also got 1 by 2. So this is Shalini's answer. This is Aditi's answer. Let's see what Jaganya has to say and what Kavyan has to say. Okay.
I also got 1 by 2.
1 by 2. You guys are trying to be good friends. Okay. Kavyan also got 1 by 2. Kavyan is also trying to be friend with Aditi and Shalini. Let's see how strong that friendship is. Let's see what Yaganya has to say.
I got 9 over 18.
You got 9 over?
18.
9 over 18. Okay.
If you simplify that, it would be 1 by 2 too.
Okay, that makes sense. We'll come to that. So, I got 4 answers. And 3 answers are 1 by 2. And 4th answer is 9 by 18. That is also 1 by 2 actually. Because if I have 9 by 18, I can do factorization here. I can say, okay, 9 I can write as 9 into 1. Or I can write this as 3 into 3. And 18 I can write as 6 3s are 18. 6 times 3. Okay. This 3 and this 3 gone. It's factor. 3 by 6. Okay, 3 is a prime number. So I will write it, this is 1 into 3. And 6 I can write as 2 by into 3. So this 3 and this 3 gone. 1 by 2. So your answer is also the same, Yaganya, okay? But and none of the answers are, I don't know whether the answers are right or not. Let me do it myself. I'll just confirm if these answers were right or not. But then, what I was trying to show here was, whatever you have, you don't have to be accurate with your tic-tac-toe. You may not be able to solve it with one go. You can break it into 2 pieces. Okay, 9 I can write as 3 into 3, write it. 18 is 6 into 3, write it. And even if you solve it and then you say 3 by 6, can I break 3 and 6? 3 I cannot break, 6 I can break as 2 into 3. So yeah, I have a possibility. You try breaking it and then you will probably be able to simplify it further. Okay. Now let's look at what you guys did and what you guys got. And is that correct? So Yaganya also got 1 by 2 actually. So everybody got 1 by 2. Maybe you guys are right. I don't know. Let me check. So same thing. Division I will convert into multiplication. When I do multiplication, then my numbers dance. Whatever is below goes up, whatever is above comes down. So it becomes 3 by 2. Now, that is 3 into 3 by 9 into 2. Okay? Now I know that 3 I cannot break further, so I write 3 into 3. I just put a 1 because that doesn't change anything. And 9 I can write as 3 into 3. 2 is anyway a very small number, I can write 2. Now 3 and 3 tic tac toe, this 3 and this 3 tic tac toe. What I have is 1 by 2. So you guys are right. Even if your teacher doubts you guys a lot, still you were right. Because you did the right way. So my request and recommendation to you guys will always be, always focus on doing it the right way. Your answers will be right by default. Okay? Don't focus on answer. Yes, Salmi.
I actually was like, I'm not going to get it right, but
What is
you
that?
said it, I was happy, and also I did it another way. I did it another way.
Okay? Yeah, I mean, see, when you guys grow up, when you learn different things, every single sum probably can be solved in 3 or 4 ways. It's up to us which one works for us. Like this dance thing that I'm talking about. Do you think people talk about dance while solving math? They don't. Like the way we talked about the decimal as a chicken egg story. Do you think people talk it that way? No. And that is the way I have understood. That is how I have kind of memorized or convinced myself. And that helps me solve the sum in a more playful way. If I am doing something in a more playful way, I enjoy. If I am doing it with a lot of stress, I don't. Right? So I'm just teaching you guys to do things in a more playful way so that you actually end up enjoying what you do. Yeah? Alright. So that seems you guys have understood how the fraction division works. Let's play with it a little more. Now I'm saying divide 3 by 1 by 9. Now what will you do? This is a fraction. This is a whole number. How will you divide a whole number with a fraction?
Put the 3 to a 1.
Huh?
3 by 1.
3 by 1. That's what I was. So I think in one of my previous class I would have told you guys that fraction is my best friend. When I'm dealing with different types of numbers, I will convert them into one form. And fraction is my best friend. So I'll convert everything into a fraction. Then 3 becomes 3 by 1. This is a fraction. This is a fraction. This is a fraction. And now we have learned how to do division of fraction. So we can solve it. Can you guys solve this and tell me what the answer is?
sure about my answer, but I got the answer.
You got the answer? How much it is?
3 by 1.
3 by 1. Okay, what is another value for 3 by 1? 3. 9 by 1 is 9. 2 by 1 is 2. Yeah? Okay, Jaganya, what is the answer?
I got 27. Sir.
You got 27? Okay. Okay, that is getting interesting. Okay. So, one of you got 3 by 1, that is 3. One of you got 27. Okay, let's see what Aditi and Kavyan got. Yes, Aditi.
27.
Okay. 27 by 1, that is 27. So 27 by 1 will be 27. Okay. So
I
Aditi
got
got,
27.
okay. Kavyan got 27. I don't trust any of you, like always. Okay, so now when I say I don't trust, meaning I will also do, just to make sure that what you guys got is right or not. So again, same thing. 3 divided by 1 by 9. This is a whole number, this is a fraction. And we cannot deal between apple and oranges. We convert everything into 1. And fraction is my best friend, like I always say. So I will convert everything to fraction. 3 by 1 divided by 1 by 9. This is my new question. Now, when I am doing division, I don't like division. I convert that to multiplication. When I convert to multiplication, my numbers dance. So, 9 goes up, 1 comes down. So this becomes 3 into 9 divided by 1 into 1. So this is, there is nothing that we can do now. This is 1, right? So 1 you cannot break. There is no tic-tac-toe opportunity that we have here. So this becomes 3 into 9 is 27, divided by 1 into 1 is 1. So 27 by 1 is nothing but 27. Yep. So now again, this is one thing that you have to all keep in mind. Though I keep telling that I don't trust you guys, but my entire teaching is based on these principles. I tell you guys that T is the first thing in the way we learn. Trust. Even if I don't trust you, if I say so, you have to always trust yourself. So that trust has to be there always for yourself. That okay, I can do it. I can do it. Okay? Then read the question, analyze and then do it. Now here in this situation, or any sum, right? When you are doing sums, at least in your grades, when you guys are growing up in elementary school, go to middle school, before you get ready for high school, you will have more time. You will have less questions and more time. What that means is, let's get into the habit of reviewing. Whatever you do, make sure that after you finish, just do a quick proofreading of that. Okay, this was the question, I converted to fraction. Okay, now I'm doing multiplication. When I do multiplication, this place that I did, it's okay. Now this is what it became. I cannot break it down because this is smallest number. So I have to just multiply this next. So when you finish your solution, right, make sure that you review. If you took 2 minutes to solve it, you will take 50 to 20 seconds to review it, okay? It doesn't take more than that. But then that will give you a guarantee that whatever you did, at least you verified that, right? When you guys tell me the answer, what did I do? I just verified it, right? I mean, I just did and verified it. For you also, in the exam, when you solve the problem, if you go wrong, or you did not go wrong, it's always, in any situation, make sure that you spend those 10-15 seconds extra to just verify what you did.
Your video is freaking off, sir.
Yeah, no, my network went off. It's trying to connect.
Yeah, it does work for me.
Yeah, can you guys hear me okay? Can you guys hear me?
Your video is frozen.
Our video will come, don't worry. It just, yeah. Can you see me now? Can you hear me now?
Your voice is also breaking up. Yeah.
Okay, is it better now?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, there was some problem with the network for a little bit.
Kind of lagging.
I'm sorry?
It's kind of lagging.
Okay. How about now? Better?
Yeah.
Okay. So what I was saying was, whatever you do, whenever you're solving a problem, after you finish solving it and you believe that you've got the answer, make sure that you spend 10, 15, 20 seconds extra to go through it one more time. Make sure that you review and then you say, yes, I'm done. Okay? Don't hesitate to review. That's very important. And not because some of you got wrong answers in the past. It's because it's a practice that we have to learn. Okay? It's a practice that we have to keep on, I'll not say it's a practice that you have to practice. I'm saying it's a habit that you have to get into, so that every problem that you solve, you revise it also, you do review by yourself. Okay, now let's do one more sum before we think that we are done with this particular topic. Let's say now I'm giving you a little difficult problem. It is not difficult actually, but it's just a matter of how you approach it. I'm giving you guys, this is a mixed number, this is a fraction, and this is a whole number. I'm asking you guys to multiply these three. Do you guys know how to convert a mixed number to a fraction?
Yeah.
Kavya knows. How about Salmi, Aditi, and okay, you don't. Okay, so let's.
I kind of forgot.
You can forgot. Okay, I'll help you memorize again. So a mixed number. So I'm a very. People can probably say that okay, this teacher is very stupid, because I love stupidity. I do math in a very childish way. Okay, like a kid. So if I have to convert any number, this is a mixed number. This has 3 1/7. I can like I always say, fraction is my best friend. So any number that I deal with, if let's say we have to do this into 7/4 into 4. This is a whole number, this is a fraction, and this is a mixed number. We have to convert everything into one form, and fraction is my best friend, so I will convert everything into fraction. So I know this guy I can convert to fraction by putting a 1. 4 becomes 4/1, that's a fraction. These two are taken care. My only problem is with this guy, 3 1/7. So let's look at this guy to figure out how do I convert this guy also into a fraction. If I can convert this into a fraction, then we'll see what to do. So let's look at converting this into a fraction. Everybody remembers the table of 7, right? Everybody? Now, this is, see, if you guys have noticed how the clock moves, the needle of the clock moves from here to here to here to here to here to here, and again keeps on repeating, right? This is the way the needle of the clock moves, and that's why we call it clockwise movement, right? Like a clock. So here also, remember this is a clock. You start from here. A clock is moving from here to here. That moves from here to here. That moves from here to here. Okay? So clock is starting from here. This is my starting point. 7 to 3. When this moves from here to here, it is multiplication. Here to here, you add. And then this one you divide. Multiply, add and divide. Multiply, add and divide. Multiply, add and divide. This is how you have to do. What you will do? Multiply, add and divide. Here to here multiply. 7 3 are 21. Here to here add. Plus 1. 22. Divide. Whatever I have here. 7. Multiply, add, divide. So multiply this with this. 7 3 are 21 plus 1. 22. Divided by this. Okay? Everybody got it? Now let's do it. Let's say I have 2 1 by 3. What will be the equivalent fraction here? Multiply, add and divide. So multiply. 2 3 are 6 plus 1. 6. So it will be 2 3 are 6. 2 3 are plus 1 by whatever we have here. So you are not creating here. You are just writing it that way. 2 3 are 6 plus 1. 7 divided by 3. That is what the equivalent will be. So this will be 7 by 3. If I give you guys 4 1 by 3, can you tell me what is the equivalent fraction for this one? Multiply, add, divide. Clockwise. Yep, yeah, you can tell me.
I think it's 13 over 3.
13 over 3. 4 3 are 12 plus 1 13 over 3. Okay? You got it? Shalini, Aditi, you guys got it? Yeah? Got it? Okay. Now,
I also got this.
you guys also got it. So okay, now I'll give one question to each one of you, okay? Kavyan has done this in the past, so I'm not giving it to him. So for Aditi, 2 1 by 7. Tell me what is the value for this one? Aditi, what is the 2 1 by 7? This is for Aditi. 3 1 by 8. This is for Shalini. 4 3 by 2. This is for Latanya. So 2 1 by 7 is for Aditi. 3 1 by 8 is for Shalini. 4 3 by 2 for Yaganya. Okay, Yaganya, how much is your answer?
I got 11 over 2.
Yes, you're right. So good job. Yaganya got it right. Okay, Aditi, how much it is?
15 by 7.
Very nice. How about you, Shalini?
I'm doing.
This is for Aditi. Aditi. Okay, let's see what Shalini says. And Kavyan, were you paying attention? Were you paying attention? No, I want you to tell me if they got the right answer or not. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. I mean, I anyways confirmed, but I was just checking if you are with me. Unmute, Shalini, and tell me how much is the answer before we try solving the first question.
25 divided by
25 divided by 8. Very nice. 25 by 8. Very nice. So this is what Shalini also gets. Very nice. So see, so that gives me the confidence that yes, you guys have understood it. And there is nothing difficult here. It's just a matter of practicing and practicing and practicing. That's it. Alright. Now, since you guys know how to convert a mixed number into a fraction, now let's come back to this problem. 3 1 by 7, 7 by 4 into 4. Can you guys solve it now? Okay, don't try solving it. I will solve it for you guys. And when I give the assignment, probably you'll have some more sums like this.
Okay.
I'm sorry?
I was about to solve it.
Solve it. I mean, if you can solve it, if you can do it faster than me, nothing like it. I want you guys to be faster than me. And I believe you are. Each one of you. Okay. First thing, I will convert this into a fraction. How much that will be? 3 1 by 7. What will be the fraction for that one? Yeah, tell me.
25 over 7, sir.
20.
After 7 by 4, is it just times 4 or is it?
Times 4. Yeah.
Oh.
And what is the value for this one, Yananya, you said?
It's 22 over 7, sir.
22 over 7. Okay. Okay. Siddharth, give me 2 more minutes, okay? I'm just finishing the previous class. And then we will start your class, okay? Alright. So, we got 22 over 7. Now, the next value is 7 by 4. That is again a fraction. We don't have to worry about it. Then next one is a whole number. The whole number we have to convert into a fraction because as I always say, fraction is my best friend. Everything converts to fraction. Now everything is in the same format. Now let's see. This equals 22 into 7 into 4. These are all my numerators. And then 7 into 4 into 1 as my denominator. What do we do? Tic-tac-toe. This one and this one gone. 7 and 7 gone. Tic-tac-toe. What I'm left with? 22 by 1. This is my answer. 22 by 1 or 22. So basically, when you are dealing with a situation like this, first thing you have to do is convert everything into one form. And when we are dealing with base numbers, fractions, the best approach is convert them into fraction because fraction is your best friend. Okay? And then once you have that, then it's all fun. Yeah? Everybody saw it? Everybody saw it? Everybody understood it? Okay. That's what brings us to the end of the class for you guys.